Do you have any idea what the worst part about cancer is? It's time. The more you wait, the worse it gets. This means that knowing the symptoms of any type of cancer can literally save your life. Cancer survival is all about knowing how to recognize its symptoms before things get out of control. Breast cancer is the most common type of cancer, and if you don't know it's happening, your chances of survival get dimmer every single day. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal every early sign or symptom of breast cancer you could possibly have to recognize and treat it before it's too late. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel is a conventional doctor to my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need a line of important quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com and stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share extra tips and video links related to this topic. Breast cancer is a serious public health problem. And by the way, not exclusively seen in women. Men are also at risk of seeing breast cancer if they're not careful. Cancer in general is the most feared health condition on the planet. And with good reason. It's a serious problem because many times it has a late diagnosis. This could possibly change if we educate ourselves and learn some of the most common symptoms that can put us in red alert. After all, it's the second leading cause of death worldwide, and believe it or not, this could change if you know about its signs and symptoms. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal every early sign or symptom of breast cancer you could possibly have to recognize and treat it before it's too late. Number 1, breast lumps. Seeing or feeling lumps in any part of your breast is probably the most well-known sign of breast cancer. In fact, seeing a lump or a mass grow anywhere in your body is a sign of alarm. Now obviously, you don't have to wait till you see a huge lump growing on your breast to do something about it. There are methods you can use to check your breast periodically and make sure that there are no smaller lumps to be recognized. Remember that time is your greatest tool of success. Just so you know, cancerous lumps tend to be more irregular in shape than benign tumors. They can also feel firm, maybe solid, or painless depending on their nature. Now, if you see that there's something very strange about them with their shape, or maybe their color even at the outside of your skin, you might need to get checked. If you need something natural that you can use to prevent breast cancer daily and a good formula containing herbs, vitamins, and antioxidants for this purpose and immune support, look for IM Defense and Multivitamin from Finland at drlandivar.com. Number 2, seeing changes in your skin texture. Cancer is basically an uncontrolled growth of cells inside our body. This can obviously cause changes in growth patterns or inflammation, especially on our skin cells. This uncontrolled and fast growth usually leads to texture changes on the surface, changes in color, and when there's obviously no real growth pattern. This means that if you see scaly skin around the nipple area, or even sunburned skin, or it's extremely dry maybe, or it's thickening in any part of your breast, I suggest you visit a specialist to see if there's no serious condition with your breast. You have to remember that cancer grows fast and doesn't really give you time or give your body the time or the chance to have that growth in a very elegant and well-arranged way. By the way, these changes can also cause itching, which people associate to breast cancer also. So remember, if you see changes in texture, softness, or even itching, you need to see a specialist. Renew Skin from Finland contains nicotinamide and tons of other natural ingredients for skin health and beauty. You might want to use it in any part of your skin, anywhere in your body. Number 3, breast or nipple pain. Cancer can many times be related to pain, and if you think about it, it actually makes a lot of sense. You see, breast cancer causes many changes to the skin cells and the same structure of the tissue surrounding them. This uncontrolled growth and deformity structure, if you want, can many times lead to feelings of pain, tenderness, and discomfort within the breast. Some people describe this pain as a burning sensation that doesn't really go away. It's something that is not right. It doesn't feel right. And in any case, it's a really good idea to get yourself checked. Now, please be aware that cancer comes in many shapes and forms, and pain can also be present. Now, obviously, the best way to recognize cancer in general is done with a periodic home screening technique that you can use any single day you want. Number 4, nipple discharges. Any person, male or female, that sees a discharge come from their nipple, especially if it's not linked to a recent birth, should be paying real close attention. If you see a discharge that is thin or thick, or maybe ranges in color from clear to milky, yellow, green, red, whatever color it is, it could be a sign of breast cancer. You see, it's normal for women who are breastfeeding to have a milky discharge coming out from time to time, but it's not if there is no hormones that are incentivizing this to happen. Although most nipple discharges are non-cancerous, by the way, this doesn't mean that other discharges with changes in color and texture and whatever could not be a sign of it. Now, obviously, other possible reasons of a nipple discharge can be a breast infection, maybe birth control pills, medications, or even certain conditions like thyroid disease. In any case, you need to seek professional attention. You need to get yourself checked, because the more you wait, the worse it gets. If you need a quality multi-supplement formula you can use to improve hormone balance and health overall related to breast discharge and hormones all around your body, look for metathyroid and thistle essence from Finland at drlandivar.com. Number 5, dimpling of any part of your breast. If you see skin dimpling, this could be a sign of an inflammatory breast cancer, which is a very aggressive type of cancer. You see, cancer cells can cause a buildup of lymph fluid inside our breast, and this leads to swelling and as well, maybe dimpling or a pitted skin. It's extremely important for anyone who notices a dimpling on their skin to visit a doctor. Doctors call this change an orange peel because it resembles the surface of an orange. Number 6, changes in breast lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are small, rounded collections of immune cells and tissues that filter or drain fluids from any area that captures any potential harmful cells. This may include bacteria, viruses, and cancer cells. If there's a cancer cell that leaves the breast, the first place it will travel to is the underarm lymph node region, and some might be affected. This can lead to swelling in that area or the formation of lumps, which you might also see or feel if you touch yourself close to your collarbone in that area. They may feel small, firm, swollen, doesn't matter. It might or needs to be checked. So if you have any of these symptoms, any of these lumps, you need to see a doctor. Don't ignore it. Number 7, redness and swelling. Breast cancer can cause changes to the skin. This might appear as a discolored or even bruised region, and in some cases the skin might appear red or purple or maybe bluish in tint. And this means that if you haven't experienced a recent trauma to the breast that explains these changes, you should definitely see a doctor. Breast cancer can also cause the entire breast to change or swell. They could, change in color, changes to red, to blue, to purple, it doesn't matter. You need to get yourself checked. And help out the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below. They'd be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or line an appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos to stop you from information that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.